Good day everyone, this is Miel Object Guide. Welcome back to my channel. Again, for comparison of the Megazord of Power Ranger sa height niya, including mga special guests ko dito, no? So, about the size comparison, ito yung RX-78-2 Gundam version 1. Ang tinatawag nilang Old Daddy Gundam. Hanggang bewang niya yung Gundam. Pero kasi siyempre, hindi scaled kasi itong Megazord. Pero just to know you how big it is, makita niyo yan sa camera. This is the Master Grade RX-78-2 Gundam version 1. Napapansin nyo, luma-lumang design niya. Yan. Itabi natin ang isang SD Gundam. Standard size or the standard SD Gundam. Hanggang binti lang o hindi umabot sa tuhod ng Megazord. Next is 1:144 size. This is the 1:144 size. Anyway, this is accurate size hanggang hita na niya ang Gundam. This is the RX-78-2 Gundam entry grade. And of course, TWS Neo Bluetooth earphone. Then, linisin na natin yung table. Alright, next is the 2014 Grimlock of the Transformers and the G1 1994 Grimlock of Transformers. Transform natin sila. Then again, for the size comparison of Grimlock 2014 and another Grimlock of 1994. Lit niya, no? So, yan ang size comparison. Malaki talaga yung Megazord. And to tell you exactly, yung height ng Gundam is 13 cm for the Master Grade 1:100. 18 cm yon. So, may ruler kayo, post nyo na yung video, then imagine yung sukat nun. Another thing is yung mga ibang version ng Megazord, mas malaki pa dito and mas mabigat. So, yun. Comparison for Tyrannosaurus Rex and the Grimlock. Alright, so tinabi ko yung dalawa, no? Dito, dismantle natin to. Ano na? Nahigpit pa kasi. Mabilisan lang to. So, ayan. So, ayan siya. Ito yung Grimlock na 2014. At ito naman, Grimlock yung 1994. Ay, correction, 1984. Not 1994. 1984. Grimlock. Yung articulate, yung kanyang proportion, hindi siya ganun sa proportion, especially dito, nakamukha ka. Oh, diba? So, medyo parang matangkad na version. Ito naman, parang mala skeletal type na dating. Although, there's something in the weapon of the Grimlock that you can still put it on the tail to be as part of its tail. So, mangyayari, hahaba yung buntot niya. That's really something long, very long tail. At nagiging pambalanse siya, so kahit na nakayuko, hindi siya susubsob. Pag tinanggal mo kasi yan, sumusubsob na yun sa bigat ng ulo. See how long it is versus mo dito and dito. Pero kung gagayahin ko yung forma niya, sobrang taas naman ng kanyang buntot. Again, it's similar do sa arm. Anyway, these two guys are the Hasbro Transformer. So yun, they are in good family. Nakakatuwa silang tignan, no? Kulang nilang magkagatan pero malabo. So anyway, this is Real Tech Guide. Oo nga, no? Bago ako magpaalam, dagdagan natin yung iba pang Zord, iba pang Dinozords, the Triceratops. Ito siya, kasi maliit lang siya. And then again, the Pterodactyl. Lipeg dito eh. Yun lang. The Pterodactyl here. And the saber-tooth tiger. These legs are loose. Na I think medyo magiging problema ko siya in the future. Ano, pag madulas yung tinutuntungan, may tendency mag-split siya, oh. Kita nyo, dandahan siyang dumadapa. So loose, pagka loose si saber-tooth tiger, ang ano, pwede nga pala siya basta ganyan lang. So medyo napapagod na si saber-tooth tiger. And then for the mastodon, huwag kakalimutan ibalik yung arm bago mo isara. I mean yung kanyang fist bago mo isara. Diyan. Tapos para ma-form, then baba mo ito. Parang reverse reverse lang yung gagawin mo. Oh yeah. Tiger, then the Mastodon, and so that's the sizes of everyone here. Comparing also the sword, the Grimlock and the Megazord's lightning sword. Let us set aside them. Or the height of the Zords. Mastodon, Pterodactyl, Triceratops, Saber-tooth Tiger, Tyrannosaurus, Power Rangers. Oh yeah, it's morphin time. Alright, so again, this is Miltech Guide. Kung may mga comment man kayo, sabihin nyo lang. And please do subscribe and like my video. Click the bell icon para sa mga latest uploads. Again, this is Miltech Guide. See you again in my next video. Thank you and goodbye. Yes. For a closer look. Nothing on the other side. Dito lang sa harap.